So hello guys, today I picked up something pretty neat. Let's take a look. If we turn around into the sleeper here, what do you think this is? Alright, let's do a little unboxing video. Wow, it's more packaging. Wow, more packaging. Wow, this is pretty cool. So, this is the Enya Guitars Inspire something or other. This is not a sponsored video, but I did pick this up from the Toronto Guitar Show. Yeah, Toronto Guitar Show last week, and I ordered it and it shipped within like a couple days, showed up in that package, and I haven't had a chance to open it up until now. But the idea with this guitar is I've been looking for something for a while now that I can keep in the truck and pull out when I'm on the road and practice the stuff I need to practice. A couple conditions for a guitar that's going to stay in the truck is that it's going to go through major temperature fluctuations, like the hottest hot of summer, baking in the cab here when I'm not there for like the full day. It's going to be in the sleeper baking away. Coldest of cold in the winter, -20 whatever, it's going to be in the sleeper freezing away. This is a carbon fiber body, so there's no wood fluctuations. Ideally, this should stay in relatively good shape, because a lot of the times when you go through temperature and humidity fluctuations with regular guitars, the woods and stuff expand and contract and the frets actually start popping out. You get sharp fret nibs and actually fret sprout as well. And this one is actually pretty good. Like it looks like, I don't know if these are stainless steel frets, but they have nice ball ends on them. And a lot of the times with cheaper guitars, if they come with stainless steel frets, they are pre-cut with these nice ball ends. So I'm wondering if these might be stainless steel. If they are, they're pretty dirty. But this is going to be basically a long-term durability test on this guitar. I have high expectations for it though. The other thing, the major thing with this guitar is that it has a built-in speaker. Now, I'm not doing performances or anything with this. It's literally a practice guitar in the truck, but with the built-in speaker at the bottom here, I don't have to have a separate amp or anything else in the cab. It's just pick up the guitar, turn it on, and start playing along with music on the stereo system on the radio here. This specific model too is a 25.5-inch neck scale and 24 frets with a nice carve out on the upper fret heel here. So it's really nice access for like doing 24. Actually, yeah, it's, I wish that were a little bit carved out. I've got a Jackson that has a little bit more of a carve out to get up to the 24th fret, but this shouldn't be too bad. I did a rough tune on this off camera just because when it came from in the package it was pretty out of tune, but that's not to be unexpected when it's shipping from China. So yeah, it has this little display plate on what these knobs do. I think we'll turn it on and see what happens. I don't know if there's a built-in tuner, but that would be pretty nice. So long press to turn on or off. Is it doing anything? Hello? What's considered a long press? Okay, either there's a battery block that I have to remove somewhere, or it doesn't come charged from the factory. Stay tuned. Okay, I have this plugged in to the charging block, which is included. So I can't really move this around outside of this position. And we also did a rough tune. It doesn't seem too bad. There's not really much of a floating bridge, not much to go up. There's probably dive bomb on it. It's actually still in tune after all that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, the intonation is off. Okay, we let this thing charge for a bit. I guess I can't sit how I want to sit with it. Let's see if it actually does something now. We have a light. Noise. Full volume, a little bit of reverb on this channel. Let's see what else we have. A little bit of dirt. A little more dirt. Let's see if we get... Oh, there's a purple mode. Does that mean more dirt? Or is this supposed to be like a solo channel? There's a noise gate too. Back to clean. Nicely out of tune. Not quite enough gain. To get a little pinch harmonics. There's no built-in tuner either, but hey, this thing works. That's pretty cool. Yeah, something's out of tune though. Anyways, cool. Let's see how this thing survives in the truck. Hot, cold, craziness, getting beat up. Yeah. But in the meantime, I'm still sitting here waiting to get loaded. So I'm going to practice some songs, and I'll catch you guys later. Cool.